It's Taylor with Guardian Roofing. I'm at 112 Melksham Rd, Wakeforest, North Carolina. This is a State Farm claim 3370S931G. This is for Juan Ruiz Delgado. We're going to be attempting to repair this shingle right here. That's going to in turn affect the shingle above it, shingle above that, to get the nails out of this shingle so we can remove it, assess it, and see where we're at. We will be using the approved State Farm roof snake to do this repair. I'm gonna put you on the tripod. We will get started. All right, shingle is out. I'll show this up close. We do have matting transfer all along this shingle, which means this shingle above, that matting transfer is not going to allow the sealant of the above shingle to reseal to our repair area, meaning this shingle will always be loose and susceptible to wind damage. You have a nail blow through this shingle here. I'll show you that. The tool, these edges are very frail and damaged. Them breaking the seal with the tool. I'll show you that. We already have heavy granule loss on the shingle. I'm going to show close-ups and then we'll put this back in. All right, we got matting transfer. This whole piece should look nice and glossy. It's covered in the matting transfer from the above shingle all down through here. And I will take pictures of this close-ups. Probably be easier to see than on the video. You can see the transfer as well from the below shingle. Not gonna allow this shingle to bond properly. Here's the damage to the edges that I was explaining. The shingle is not repairable. See this blow through right here from this nail popped right through. Above, you see the same damages. The shingle is not able to withstand a proper repair. We're gonna put this back in, re-nail with the roof snake, see what we come up with. This nail here, it's gone in crooked. Can't get it with the roof snake. I'm gonna have to use the hammer. Another nail on the end here went in crooked. Show you that at the end. The roof snake is not able to sit the nail properly. All right, so first off, this is all the granule loss and the shingle through that repair. You can see here the nail that pulled through the shingle. This is not the repair shingle, this is the one above it. This is the repair shingle. You can see all the edges of these shingles from where that tool, and even just simply my finger having to pick up slightly on the shingle, has damaged these edges considerably. Now, as far as bent nails, that's what it looks like. Roof snake didn't set it properly. You can also see the matting transfer there. That one also went in crooked. You can see the condition of the rest of these shingles as well. Same result is going to happen to this entire roof. For that reason, this is a failed failed repairability test. This shingle is not currently repairable in its given state.